am going to do a Dutch pour again today. Colors will be listed on the screen as well as on the description. Let's begin. My first color for the day is Phthalo blue, and I forgot to open it. Next color is Iridescent blue, gold by Pebeo. Then I have some Cerulean blue by Liquitex Basics. I'm putting a little dash of sterling silver by Decoart. Next is some Prussian blue from Liquitex Basics again. Again, just a little bit of it. I will put a little bit of phthalo blue and gold again. This would just be little, just a dash of it. And last, iridescent green blue from Pebeo. I'm almost running out of it, you can see that. That's it. Alright, let's go for it. This is a very small canvas. I'm not really used to working on such small canvases anymore. This is 9 by 12 and you can see me struggling a little at the end of it, but I'll fix it. Okay, I almost knocked off the camera, so I fixed it off camera. Just a little bit of touch up here, blowing off the excess paint. I'm going to quickly dodge it. Do not forget to scrape off the paint from underneath the canvas, or else it can ruin your composition. You can see me scraping it off using a popsicle stick. I'm also trying to cover the edges, the sides, with white base paint. I could see a little canvas showing, and I'm fixing the rest of it off camera. So here it is, guys, a quick close-up of how it looks. I'm so happy with this piece. It's beautiful. It's just come out perfect for me. That's it, guys. This is it from me. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.